Hi everyone, this is Kenneth Wong, Senior Editor for DE 24/7. Welcome to a new episode of In Their Own Words, a sponsored video series. From broadening the use of simulation, often called democratizing simulation, to visualizing and co-designing extremely large assemblies, the cloud is the underlying computing platform making these workflows possible. With complicated multiphysics simulation that requires more than what your standard workstation can provide, the best option is to work with on-demand high-performance computing service providers. With the recent partnership between Ansys and AWS made public in February early this year, you can use Ansys software applications with the power of AWS Cloud behind it. The new offering is known as Ansys Gateway, powered by AWS, available from AWS Marketplace. For more, here is Ansys teaser video.